Choosing an HVAC solution for your business. As the owner or manager of a business, whether serving food or providing hospitality to customers, or consulting with clients in your office park, you know the importance of maintaining a clean, comfortable environment for everybody who walks through your doors. When customers come into your store or restaurant, or when clients are seated in your office for an important meeting, you want to ensure their experience is pleasant and productive. When you choose a quality commercial HVAC solution for your business, you guarantee an optimal work environment for your employees and the potential for financial success. What to look for in a good commercial HVAC system. Whether your company has served your area for decades, or you are about to launch your first store, your indoor heating and air should always operate like it has just been installed. As you research potential HVAC contractors in your city, keep in mind the most important elements. Ensure your clean and comfortable buildings. 1. Efficiency. How do the heating and air systems work to maintain ideal temperatures year-round? If your business runs 24 hours a day, can you rely on the system to work as well at midnight as it does at 8 in the morning? 2. Eco-friendly. Does the system offered by your commercial HVAC provider promise green solutions that can reduce your company's carbon footprint? Environmental concerns are typically not far from our minds, and one may receive tax breaks by using equipment which doesn't produce pollutants. 3. Durability. The system you install should be able to withstand everything from running overtime to severe weather. In the event of a power outage, will your HVAC operate on an emergency power supply? This is especially important to know if you operate a medical facility. 4. Upgrades. As new technology becomes available, how difficult will it be to upgrade your current system? Will new installations interrupt your company's workflow, and will the costs do well for your budget in the long run? 5. Reliability. How reliable is the company installing the system? Are they on call when you need emergency repairs, no matter the time of day or night? Do the repairmen who come to your office perform their work efficiently and professionally? Does the company offer training to assist you in doing minor repairs so you don't have to call every time something happens? Do your research when looking for a potential commercial HVAC contractor. The system you choose should function at optimal levels when you need it, no matter for how long. Catherine Lively is a freelance writer specializing in articles on Norfolk commercial HVAC services and Virginia commercial HVAC services. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Catherine_Lively/19484